Hello and welcome to How to Use Canvas on your iPad. Using Safari to log into and use Canvas is the best way to access it on your iPad. Because of this, I will show you how to create a way to access the browser version of Canvas from the home screen through a shortcut. To do this, we will first open Safari and go to Canvas. I do this by typing in Canvas UNR, and it is the first search result that comes up. Next, you will sign in with your NetID and password. Once you are logged in, you will tap the Share button and scroll to Add to Home Screen. Tap Add to Home Screen. This will bring up a window to name your shortcut. I just kept the name Canvas, but you can change it to anything you like. Next, tap Add, and you will be taken to the home screen with the new shortcut we just made. As you can see, when I tap on it, it takes me right back to the browser version of Canvas that we were just on. Because the browser version of Canvas is more extensive in what it can do, it's best that you use the browser version, but the Canvas app can be used to turn in assignments that you have on your iPad. To do this, simply sign into Canvas on the app. Now go to the file you would like to turn in. Tap the Share icon and scroll to the Canvas app. Tap the Canvas app, then select the course and assignment you'd like to submit the file for. Next, tap Submit on the top right of that pop-up window and the file should be submitted. Remember to always go to the assignment on the app to verify it's been submitted. Now you know how to access Canvas via browser and submit assignments on the app.